To convert bank account statements into Tally vouchers using TBot, first of all start Tally and select the company you wish to work with. Once on the gateway of Tally page, start TBot. As you start TBot, it prompts you to make sure that you are on the gateway of Tally page. Click OK. Once you click OK, you'd notice that TBot prompts you to check the current period and the current date. It is important that you adjust the current period to make sure that all the dates mentioned in your bank account statement fall within that period, and validate the current date and press OK. As soon as you click OK, you would see a drop down. From this drop down, select Convert Bank Account Statements into Tally Vouchers, which is the first option, and click OK. As soon as you click OK, you'd notice that TBot gets to work on its own. It starts the pre-processing, downloading the list of ledgers in that company. This way, TBot makes sure that it has all the ledgers that are mentioned in the company. Once it has done the pre-processing, it prompts you to download the template. You could choose yes or no at this point. If you choose no, it moves on to the next step. If you say yes, it downloads the template on your desktop. Let us look at the template now. So as you can see, TBot has automatically downloaded the template, bank statement template on your desktop. It's a fairly simple template. For this demo, we have filled in a bank statement for your reference. As you can see, you have the date, value, the description, all the details in a bank account statement, withdrawals, deposits, etc. The most important point is the column that you see on the right, which is titled Ledger. In this column, just type in the name that you want for the ledger against each transaction. In case you don't know the name, leave it blank, in which case it would create an entry under the suspense ledger. TBot automatically creates the ledgers that it does not found on Tally. Once your document is prepared, click OK and upload the file. As soon as you'd upload the file, you'd notice that TBot again gets to work on its own. It is important to understand that while TBot is working on its own, we must not click anything on the keyboard or on the mouse. This part of the video was fast forwarded, but it took roughly 11 minutes to upload the 3000 entries in the bank account statement using TBot. Once the upload is finished, you would receive a success message on Tally and your job is done. The new vouchers would be created, the new ledgers would be created under either sundry creditors, sundry debtors, or a separate group called unidentified new ledgers. And voila, your job here is done. Thanks for watching.